Hello guys, you're on vrm24.com and today we are going to open the display on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. First we unscrew the end screws on the bottom and set them aside. We use a Pentalobe 0.8mm screwdriver for this. Next we place the phone on a heating mat. We can also use a hairdryer, but the key is to evenly heat the surface around the adhesive areas. After heating, we gently use a thin tool to pry under the display, cutting through the adhesive layer that holds the display in place. We can also use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to weaken the adhesive. By the way, there are specialized tools for opening displays, but they can be risky. If the frame starts to separate, the tool's wire can pull on the display and potentially damage it. The corner is now lifted and we can use the thin tool to work out our way around this side. And just like that, we have opened the display. Now we move on to unscrewing the screws. For this we use a 3-wing 1.5mm or Y2O screwdriver. Not all screws in this section are the same. The ones at the top are slightly longer. It is crucial not to mix them up during reassembly. Also, please note that on some iPhone models, screwing the screw into the wrong place can damage the display. Finally, we disconnect the battery connector. Then we disconnect the display connector and the sensor cable. And we remove the display. So this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and until next time.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.